Hello again. So today I'm gonna give you a short review on the replacement brushes. I just bought 3 packs on Amazon because they're such an amazing price. It's about $6 for 10, so I bought 30 packs and I'm gonna tell you why. So those are the brushes and they are designed for Sonicare brushes. So those are the replacement brushes. They come individually packed in plastic and they come in bags like this. So today I got another 2 because I found out that those really work well, and now let me tell you why. So first of all, as you can see, this is the brush, and brush looks pretty good, and you have those blow indicator brushes which will change the color and tell you when you have to replace it. This type of connector will fit a Sonicare toothbrush. This head will perfectly fit on your Sonicare toothbrush. This is Phillips Sonicare battery operated one. You can easily fit it over here and it will click. Works perfectly. Now this is the type of the head that I have on a Sonicare. I want to point out that I have another couple of different brands of toothbrushes, electric toothbrushes, and this type of head and this connector will not fit over here. Why? Because this part is wider than this. So as you can compare it side to side, you will see that this one is wider. That's the reason it's not going to fit, and this one is a little bit thicker. I would say that those brushes are not soft, not hard, they're kind of medium. They perfectly fit over here. So this replacement head works great, fits perfectly my Sonicare toothbrush, and it can be the price. That's why I wanted to share with you. I'm gonna give you a link to this product on the bottom of my video. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.